This year we have wasabi.
I didn't get a water.
We have mackerel, pickled beets,
I didn't get a water.
and pig's feet. Oh, and fresh ginger.
Yummy.
Go. Too easy. All right. If it's that easy for Lydia, it should be too easy for me.
I can drink after. One. Fuck.
That tastes dirty.
And it was so easy.
Oh, that tastes dirty.
Nice.
Wait, how easy was it?
It's not gonna be easy.
What are you doing? It's so easy.
It's the flavor. It's not even the texture. The texture is fine.
3, 2, 1.
Wait,
That's really easy.
Did Justin had...
Well, it just has that beet taste to it, though.
The fresh from the dirt. How you feel, Justin?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
Was it...
I just got that flavor.
yeah, we're gonna roll again to see... We're gonna
Yes,
roll
do it.
again to see...
You got it, buddy. The beets
Like me.
has that dirt taste, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It just has a sweet taste.
That sweet dirt taste.
Sweetish sour.
Yeah, see, it's weird, huh?
It's like dirt and sweet pickles. That's what
Yeah.
it reminds me of.
Yeah.
Wait, you've had
Those
dirt
baby's
before?
pickles.
Ew. What does it
wanna
feel
go
like,
last.
Justin?
Feels like really. Oh, now I can't plug my nose.
I'm glad that's
Come
done.
on.
Hurry.
This is Lydia and Crystal. Come on, dude. Let's go. I'll be the first one if you want.
Okay.
It's dripping.
Come on, Andrew Zimmerman. Ew.
Oh my god.
Ew, Joseph.
Oh my god, what? Yo, you're messed up in the brain.
Are you ready for my...
That's what you get.
I'm getting ready
get.
for my great run. Hey, don't throw up on the table. There's an exit over there.
It's really strong.
What does it taste like?
Vinegar?
Can I think of it as a freaking piece of beef?
Yes.
Like bacon? Bacon.
That's not beef.
That's
You gotta chew.
Pork.
You gotta chew. Chew it. It's vinegary, huh? It's really vinegary.
The heck is this?
Huh? It's weird, huh?
I think I eat it though.
I
Yeah, I
have
know.
no bones. Bones.
You get the one that... No, don't.
There's an exit over by...
You got it. The boys rule. Let's go.
Actually, I kind of
You
dominated
go
the other round.
chew, Justin.
You got it. No!
I wanna stick.
Let's go. Let's go.
Wait.
Stop.
Watch out, Daddy.
Go ahead.
Oh, the vinegar.
Keep it in. Lydia.
Keep it in, Lydia.
You still got another little piece.
Keep it in, keep it in.
All right, she's doing it.
You're tough, you're tough, you're tough.
Oh, that hurt.
That hurts. Can't blame her.
Okay, Krista with pig's feet.
I just chopped that.
She's gagging before she even put it in her face.
He chopped the pig's leg off.
She can't even
Go
chew.
over by the
She can't even
edge.
chew.
Go over by the edge.
Try to chew it. Try to chew it. You got it. You got it.
Chewing it makes you. It makes you puke. Yeah, it's gonna happen again.
Gonna happen.
Probably. And it's gonna be Daddy who rolls it. Oh, there's no bones.
Your tongue film them.
No,
Hold it in.
no, because I'm not lisping. Usually when my tongue's numb, I kind of lisp. See? Like this.
It's that bad? It's really that bad?
Yes.
Like it's potato chip.
Yes, like it. Go ahead then.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh crap! Oh, yeah.
Yeah, try and get like a potato chip.
You got it, buddy. It's. Oh gosh. Lydia.
It's like dry mixed with hot. The deserts.
You got goosebumps, Justin.
Justin, you got it, buddy. You got it. No, you got it. You got it. You drink water.
You can get water. Get drink water.
Drink water.
Yo, that's disgusting!
Okay. Okay. Oh, this is gonna suck. Oh, this is gonna suck. Oh, come on.
1.
Look at his
Wipe
reaction.
wasabi, wipe wasabi.
Oh my gosh.
I know what's gonna happen.
Go!
This will be worth it.
Give it to me, I'm worth it!
Look at that face.
You jerk! Oh!
Look.
Not towards me! You threw it!
And his face of joy.
Flavors.
You can't speak during that. It's hot
Oh! It's so hot. It's so hot.
The great Joe Leatherman saying it's hot. Wasabi is boss.
Oh god!
Try and gurgle it. That should just make it worse.
Oh, it's so hot.
And he did the triple atomic.
Oh, it's so hot.
He has a shirt on right
Oh,
now.
it's so hot. Oh. Gosh, that was horrible. It's horrible. It's horrible. It's horrible. I don't care what you say. I don't care what you say. It's bad. It's bad.
Yep, do it.
She tried so hard not to give the reaction.
It's
No,
hot.
I'm not trying. Oh, my nose. Ow.
Yeah.
See why we said it was dumb for that?
Oh, my nose. Ow.
Sit down, sit down.
You got it, you got it, you got it.
You got it? Oh.
It hurts.
Okay.
You got it, you got it.
Drink some water. This was the Leatherman, the annual Leatherman gross food contest. Final words?
Can't wait till next year.
You suck.
You like it.
Oh no, you spilled cracker on me.
Ow.
I'm still pretty mad about that.